Computational drug discovery has become the go-to requirement for researchers, scientists, and pharmaceuticals who fight against fatal diseases. If you're facing issues in computational drug designing, join BioCode's course called Computational Drug Discovery and Design. In this course, you'll learn role of bioinformatics in drug design, lead identification, protein 3D structure prediction, molecular docking, molecular dynamics simulation, reverse vaccinology, drug repurposing, and many other topics. This is how your screen will look like after starting this course. You can select any lesson that you want to learn and you can watch the video according to your own pace. And under the video you will find two attachments. One is the transcriptions for the video and the other one is the PowerPoint presentation. And if you have to ask any question, you can just go to the browse Q&A section, write your question here and click on submit my question. In case you need any help with course selection, email us through support@biocode.org.uk.